Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. Today's video is so exciting because I'm partnering with bareMinerals to show you their entire Blemish Rescue Collection. So the regimen comes with 3 different products. We have the primer, the brush, and the foundation. So these 3 products are developed to work together to calm, cover, and correct. And it's the first of its kind acne makeup regimen. Okay, so the first product I want to share with you guys is the Blemish Rescue Skin Clearing Anti-Redness Mattifying Primer. So this primer is so great because it has a green tint to neutralize those redness of those blemishes that we all hate so much. So it has a green tint to it, like you can see on my fingers, and it also helps to blur out your pores. So you can apply this all over the skin, mostly in a patting motion. You don't really want to sweep it on your face. I like to apply it on my cheeks because that's usually where I'm struggling, and then also in my T-zone to help mattify and also blur those pores. This primer is also amazing because it has great ingredients in it, like zinc to really help oil absorb, and then it also has sulfur to help exfoliate the skin as well. The next product in the Blemish Rescue Collection is a seamless buffing brush with activated charcoal. It's actually infused with activated charcoal to help fight bacteria and excess oil. The last product that I want to mention to you is the new foundation. This is their Blemish Rescue Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. So I like to use this shade Fairly Light, but this foundation is so great because it actually has salicylic acid in the formula. It has 0.5% salicylic acid to fight that acne. So if you've never used bareMinerals foundation before, you just take off the cap, have the little sifter open, and then you tap a little bit of product into the cap itself. And then I'll take my seamless buffing brush with activated charcoal and then swirl it around for about 15 to 20 seconds. You want to do this to really activate the minerals in the foundation. So once I'm done swirling, I'll go and tap off the excess product, and then I just start buffing it onto the skin. This foundation can be built up to a full coverage, which is amazing for all of us who have acne. We always want to cover it up. So along with preventing more breakouts and then also fighting your blemishes, it has a moisture mineral complex to really calm the skin, and it also contains oat protein to calm the skin as well. I also love the control I have with this brush because it has a short handle, and then the bristles are like rounded and short, so it stays clean for longer, so I don't have to clean my brush all the time. So all I do is just buff it into the skin and go to my desired coverage. So that is my makeup all done. I wanted to show you guys how it looked with a full face of makeup on because it really does look like a good full coverage foundation. Obviously, this is more of like an everyday look, but I really love it for every day because it really does help the skin out. I feel so confident because it's full coverage and it also has clean, good for your skin ingredients. This collection is full of what's good for you and free of what's fake. It really is clean beauty made simple. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about the 3 different products from the Blemish Rescue Collection. Thank you to bareMinerals for partnering with me for this video. I really appreciate it. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye, guys.